Good morning, students. In today's class, we will discuss about deletion operation performed on circular linked list. Right. In circular linked list, the deletion operation can be performed in two ways: deleting the node from the beginning of the list and deleting the node from end of the list. First, we will discuss about deletion of a node from beginning of the list. Right. The procedure: check whether the list is empty. That means if head equal to null, we can say that the list is empty. If it is empty, then display list is empty. Deletion is not possible. Otherwise, that is, if it is not empty, then define two node pointers, temp1 and temp2, and initialize both temp1 and temp2 with head. Check whether list is having only one node. Temp next equal to head. If it is true, then set head equal to null and delete temp1. If it is false, move the temp until it reaches to the last node, until temp next equal to head. Then set head equal to temp2 next, temp1 next equal to head, and delete temp2. Right? This is the procedure, and this is the code for deleting a node at the beginning of the circular linked list. Let us explain this with an example. This is the given circular linked list which contains 4 elements: 10, 20, 30, and 40. Now we want to delete the first element of the circular linked list. If we delete this element, what is the next first element? 20 is the next first element. We have to change the pointers. The head node will always point to the first node, right? So the head node contains the address 1010, which is the address of the node 10. If we delete this element, automatically the node 20 is the first node, which contains the address 1012. So the head contains the address 1012. This way we can adjust the pointers. After adjusting the pointers, the circular linked list looks like this. Okay. Here head equal to head next. Head equal to head next. This is the head next part. What do we have in the head next part? 1012. So that is assigned to head. Now the head is 1012. So this is the way to insert to delete a new node at the beginning of the circular linked list, and then deleting a node from the end of the list. You can see the procedure. Check whether the list is empty. That is head equal to null. If it is empty, then display the list is empty and deletion is not possible and terminate the function. If it is not empty, then define two node pointers, temp1 and temp2, and initialize temp1 with head. Right. Check whether the list has only one node. Temp1 next equal to head. If it is true, then set head equal to null and delete temp1, and then terminate from the function. Suppose if it is false, then set temp2 equal to temp1 and move temp1 to its next node. Repeat the same until temp1 reaches to the last node in the list, until temp1 next equal to head. Then set temp2 next equal to head and delete temp1. This is the procedure for deleting a node at the end of the circular linked list. This is the code for deletion. Let us explain with an example. So this is the circular linked list which contains 4 elements: 10, 20, 30, and 40. Now we are trying to delete the last node of the circular linked list, that is 40. If we delete the last node address part will contain the address of first node. If we delete this element 40, automatically the node 30 is the last node of the list, right? But the last node contains the address 1016. We have to change this address, right? This is the last node. When the last node address part will point the address of the first node, that is 1010. So the address part of the node 30 will point the first node address, that is 1010. In this way we can adjust the pointers, so we can delete the node at the end of the circular list. Let us explain. temp1 equal to temp next, and temp2 next equal to head. Temp2 next, this is temp2 next equal to head, and after that this is temp1 which can be deleted, right? So this is how we can delete the node at the end of the circular linked list. So this is how we can perform the deletion operations on circular linked list at different positions, right? Just we'll stop the session here. Thank you.